guys, it's me, Vacuum Smith here, and this is a short video of what a really sick and hurt vacuum cleaner sounds like. I mean, Kirby. Okay, listen to this. It needs bearings, but I don't know how to replace them. This doesn't stay up. I think it's supposed to, but it don't. Well, sounds quite a lot better without that stupid brush roll. I don't know why Kirby designed it this way, but there is no bearings in the brush roll. That is not smart. They still don't sound great. And when you very first turn it on, when it's cold, it doesn't run at full speed, and then it just jumps to full speed. I don't know what its deal is. It still don't sound right.